In this video, we're going to be completing the square. So for this example, we can group the y terms. Then we complete the square. Now we have y squared. Now you can write this as a square by factoring. But this is going to be a parabola. We can do this a problem. So what we can do is group the x and the y terms. Now you can move the constant. Now you can factor. So now you can complete the square. Now you can add to both sides. And if you're wondering why over here we added 1, which was the one there, and over here we added 9, but over here we added different numbers, is because on this side you have to remember the 1 is not fully 1. It's actually 1 times 25. And this one is actually negative 16 times 9. So that's where you get those from. Now you can divide by 400. This is going to leave you with and this is hyperbola. X squared plus 16y squared minus 10x plus 9d6y plus 153. First, you're going to group these. Now you can move the constant. Now you can complete the square. 10. That's going to be 25, and this is going to be 25. Now you can finish with this. You can add to both sides. So here you're going to have negative 153 plus 25 plus 144. Because here you had to multiply 16 times 9, which is 144 for that component. So here you had x squared minus 10x plus 16y squared plus 6y. There's space here for us to add the 25, and then here we added the 9. So then combining all of this and simplifying this down, after this you would just divide both sides by what the result of this is. This is going to be 16, so you divide by 16, and then on this side you get 16. You're going to get that expression of x minus 5 squared plus y plus 3 squared divided by 16 over 1 is equal to 1. Now, this is going to be an ellipse. Now, after this, we can move on to our next problem. So you're going to group the x and the y terms like before. This is going to be 4x squared minus 8x minus 25y squared plus 100y minus 196 is equal to 0. Now move the constant. Now after this you can factor the coefficients. $25 and 4, this seems to be the largest things we can take out. Plus 4y is equal to 196. Now after this you can complete the square. So now you have negative 2 over 2 or squared, that's equal to 1. And then here you have 4. So you have 4 over 2 squared, that's equal to 4. Now you can add to both sides. So you're going to have the 196. You have 196 plus 4 times 1 minus 25 times 4, and that's going to equal to 196 plus 4 minus 100. That's going to equal to 100. Now you can rewrite this as 4x minus 1 squared minus 25y plus 2 squared. Now dividing both sides by 100. Now you have 1x minus 1 squared divided by 25 minus y plus 2 squared divided by 4 is equal to 1. And this is going to be the equation of a hyperbola.